My name is Sunita. I am teaching education for 11 and 12 class. Unit number 3 gi 11 class oina tausi. Unit number 3 da yaurisi koina Council of Higher Secondary Education gi syllabus ki guidelines ki makha da yaurisi koina agencies of education sine. Unit number 3 da yaurisi. Aduna agency habadi kadai bu ko boge. What is the agencies of education? Hai betaraga di koina education se. Education teaching learning process ni ko education hai sa. Aduna education hai ba poche koina kamaina phangda ge hai ba dunia koina agency ki matang da naina ka doise. Education si like about teaching learning process as education ni education high report check there are 3 agencies of education. For agency home lai makoi dudi kari no have matamda formal agencies, informal agencies and non-formal agencies. Bagi formal jahana naina si. Formal habadi, the formal education is an organized and systematic form of education with systematic form of education. That is, this education is imparted in the school, college and university under the systematic way. Habadi ekoina formal system of education habase ekoina yam systematic oina under the rules and the regulations ki makha da ekoina school da, college da, university da phangiba system of education sa asibu kari kauge hamatam da formal education haina koiba. In this education, every aspect of education is pre-planned, predetermined, fixed timetable, then course of study, fixed time limit, examination, etc. Habadi akoina education like tamba matam se dang sagi fixed so pot myam se le kane ba hadi predetermined like ani pre-plan dagi fixed timetable, fixed course of study, then fixed time limit, everything like tamba matam se da loin bak se akoina schedule magi makha da loin bak plan tawraga leba pot ne ba aduna masigi education se hadi masigi formal system of education se achina one of the most important agencies of education because karigino hai matamda akoigina after the completion or after the course of the study, the individual can get the degree, diploma, then mark sheet, certificate, etc. Hadi tamgodori ba course adu lore pa matamda individual na phangdori se magi degree, diploma or certificate, then mark sheets me am phangane maduna kari recognize ta godori ba for the public recognition as well as the karida apply to kadoni magi jobs thabak tanarakpada then makha taba magi service ko aduna sigumba mayam da proof work kadori ba poto kanan pido no habdang sagi formal system of education sina pirakadoni ne ba aduna di sagi formal system of education se achukki matik maru oikre koina like educated person am harak matamda no one that is impossible without this system of education. No one can be regarded as an educated person. Habdi mi edo sijiki hariba formal system of education se yaw the mi do kanam tan lai haire hadnam ka chu haibi roiba maram dinga sagi proof tagodori ba everything tagodori ba mayam do kanan bigidagi habda after the course of the study machai man tamgodori ba course to lor kan phanggadoi ni na sagi formal system of education se si yamna maru oiba aduga in the formal system of education the jike have the teacher oza sna active role lo ko oza haiba khoi group of teaching kanu da lei basing sina active role lo maram di oza sna sagi satra sing the next generation by generation since they koina knowledge shum share khoi generation by generation se khoi transfer tor so sun pi doi ne ba aduga di oza sna loin ba angang sing du da takpi tambi ba gi role lo ko doi no oza sna an active role lo ba sigi hariba system of education aduna formal system of education di its aim to educate each and every person of the citizen have the citizen laiba mipum khuding ma se aikoina lairik laishu hen ba have sineba magi aims ma koigi formal education duna the formal system of education or formal agency is the most important agencies of education. Next time magi koi importance hai si ko importance have the formal system jigi magi maru oiba sing khara chum naina se ahan number 1 da it makes the people literate have the mi sing se man lairik hai heleba ji hariba agencies number 1 point lai helle then number 2 it brings the people an all round development mi se koi individual person sing se lairik laishu hen ba then all round develop the whole leba machigi hariba agency sigi khuthang dagi. Then number 3 it provides certificate which are very essential for providing job or service of high status. Abdi mana makata ba magi thabak tawgodoriba then high status the mana tawgodoriba mayam sigi provide certificate mayam provide tawdoisu kanana no have matam danga saiki formal agency or formal system of education sinane. Then number 4 it equips scope for social efficiency. Abdi society sigi magi darkar riba efficiency mayam the people sing si dai madu loin bak pibangam bisya kanana no have matam danga saiki formal education have sinane. Next formal system gi magi characteristics like the man tawgodaba yengsi akoi characteristics point una naina bana sum ngai do mali aduna point una sum haige. Point number 1 the process of give and take of this education undergoes formal rules, law, norms and methods. Habadi formal education da tawgodori be thabak se kain ham the give and take ne ba ozana pitokpa then satrana loksan ba karamaina under the formal rules and the regulations ngasagi formal law amagi makhada rules amagi makhada norms amagi makhada ojaga chhatra gi mari leina ba asi bo khoina formal system gi manung challe. Next number 2 the programs of education are pre-planned and predetermined. Habadi sagi program se tawdringi mamang da khun hanana schedule ma lepaga pre-plan tokani plan then predetermined tokani habadi masigi akakna ba magi schedule am kak loin ba bind tawraga thamga da leiba magi. Then number 3 the curriculum and disciplinary standard are predetermined. Habadi tamgodori ba the course of study ko adugi disciplinary magi tawgodori ba schedule mayam sing da yagodori ba games and the sports or payai then literary meet por payai then tawgodor ba khogi sahi amagi schedule ama da tawgodori ba course of studies ama da legi pham thopo mayam sing do loin ba khana na predetermined taraga pre-plan taraga thamgodaba ne ba. Then last one number 4 one must get qualifying marks grade or certificate in the examination for the recognition. Ngasa in high kibiduni ko habedi after the course of the studies maji kai phangani degree phangani diploma man tamiba course to gi phangani then adugi loina na mark sheet and certificate kai gi damakta which is proof for the job security habedi man tanagadori thabak tanak podani khangde duga high status tanak podani khangde madudi puthoraka ba magi maroi ba magi essential keno mayam to educational gi pot certificate mayam sing do kanan pige doino sagi formal system of education habisne piraka doine. Next number 2 gi informal agencies. In informal agencies the informal agency dagi phangiba koi gi education chibu kai koge hamatamda informal education hana kawe. Then what is informal education si matang damung naina si ko kai no hamatamda the informal education means incidental, situational, unconventional, unorganized and the out of the systematic form of education. Habadi asagi out of the systematic form of education then unorganized habam yauri ko sei porani yauri and then incidental habadi sei da organize tawdaba then systematic ki makha da su leitaba systematic su oidaba aduga akoina phangiba education sing duni ko sei da koina informal education an hairaka doise duna sigi education se kadai ba ko ge hamatam da it may be have quite freely and spontaneously from the weather environment koi gi koi bada leiba environments da ge koina logodori ni oi haiba education system of education je koina spontaneously koina day to day life ki experience ge loina na koina collection to hodoi ni sigi knowledge na this type of education sina kamai to ge hai matam da singba agencies na mi sing si the education pi ba kamai na without any definite rules and the regulation habidi ngasagi definite rules am su yaw de regulations laitana mi sing se koina education di tok like koi kaino di bidoiba knowledge me am di bidoini basina knowledge me am supplement tok doini then every people koi mi pung kuning ma sa we are the learners says the oza have laitre satra have laitre then asagi admission examination pre time pre schedule karim tale ko sida di have the informal higher pamatams di we are it's and every we are the learners then we can learn every moment of life till the end of our life ko koi mi pung khuding ma se koi na ai bun ji na hek loi di ba dum learn toraga dum chat pa yai ba habidi day to day life se che koi na thengnari ba experience mayam sing se सी कदाइदैनो हाइब मतमदे एजेंसीज मैम सिंगसिदगी अखोइने एक्सपीरियंस मैम सिंगसि लोइना कलेक्ट तौदोइनेबा अदुना अगी पुंची के अरोइबदु बाबा लोइबा ज्ञान लौसिंग से लोइबा अदुम तानबा यायबा हेक अगी पुंची से हिंगी बाबा लौसिंग से अदुम तानबा यायबा अदुंदी इट्स एंड एवरीवन वी आर द लर्नर्स अखोइ मिपुं खुदिंग मासे परफेक्ट अमौ नतेबा अइना अमरोमदा फन्यां खंगसु खंगदबा मैम सु लेरिबा अदुना फावर साइंटिस्ट और इंजीनियर कोई डॉक्टर और इंजीनियर फावर मैम सिंगसे माना ट्रेड अमदा फाउजगी वानि बट माना खंगदबा मैम अमसु लेरिबा अदो अखोइना असिगुंबा मैम सिंगसे अखोइगी डे टू डे लाइफ से स्पॉन्टेनियसली अखोइगी अकोइबदा लेरिबा एजेंसीज मैम सिंगसिदगी अखोइना सो मेनी नॉलेज मैम अनलिमिटेड नॉलेज मैम अखोइना कलेक्ट तौबा यायबा अदुना दिस टाइप ऑफ एजुकेशन इज कॉल्ड द इनफॉर्मल एजुकेशन सिनेबा इनफॉर्मल हारकदोइसे अदुना असागी लर्नर सिंगसिना ओजा फॉर्मल ददी ओजा सिना एक्टिव रोल लौखिको अदुगु सही इनफॉर्मल सिस्टम ददी द लर्न वी आर द लर्नर्स अकोइ मिपुं खुने मसे लर्नर्स खातनेबा अदुना ही और हर हर्स हिमसेल्फ टेक द एक्टिव रोल मसाना एक्टिव रोल से लौजगदबनेबा कदरे अदुना इट सैटिस्फाई हिज needs and desire aduna magi mana luxury ba mana active role luxury banina miduna magi darkar oi rupa matam then magi darkar oi needs ting do satisfy oi jaiba aduna hairiba informal education si kamai to hamta it is inherent in our day to day experience habidi akoina day to day lives gi experiences da dum loina na dum sat khidoine sidi habidi example da koina habiyai kai can have the it includes koi home community mass media library then religious institutions club cinema museums etc myam am lai ko asigumba mayam singsidagi koina koigi punsi se spontaneously sum loina chatpa se dai koina khomjal liba khomjaliba koi knowledge myam se asibu kai koge ham tamda informal education haina koi duna informal education se asina informal agencies singsina karida supplement we have tamdang sai formal system supplement weba formal system da khoina phangi basna kai gina have the only the bookish knowledge neba in the formal system of education the learners are getting only the bookish knowledge but sigi bookish knowledge na perfect person ama oiro pamatam ding sai mapung pharak deba kanana supplement tor de sai gi agencies myam akoi environmental lebe agencies myam sina mangonda supplement tor ko doini suppose example ma hagi ko current affairs are se current affairs koina ngasi koina current affairs myam si newspaper dagi then koi television dagi radio dagi mass media sim mayam phangi ba myam se koi book like the printed oina yaung dreba current affairs myam sing koi like that phang deba adordi uji ki current affairs myam sing si kedoge mta agi ina require toriba ina tansal liba ina low myam se kana de ina ham tan ngasa gi informal agencies myam de neba aduna asigumba myam sibu kai kaugi hai matamda informal education haina kaweba aduna informal education is also very much important to make a person a perfect man perfect person ama sema matamda ngasi informal agencies su yam chawa role loiba si yaudana koina bookish knowledge khatang koi mapung phaba mi ma kasu oiba na deba aduna atop dagi koina environment dagi loriba education lots of the unlimited lots of knowledge myam sing sa asikana karai dein ha matamda informal agencies sin tin deine next magi informal agency ki characteristics kara mu naina si sisu koina point oina dum naina si point oina naina bana nuaini number 1 the informal education is broader in its scope that comprise the whole life experience of men habiti mi amagi magi punchi se the thengner experience myam sing se asidagi lawrakadin ba duna magi scope se yam chawi then number 2 the it is spontaneous and the free from all sort of authoritative controls of education habidi koina school da college da di ke dore authority lei han ba da government lei ni then matang da magi institution du ki head lei ni then oja myam lei ni authority myam lei ni adu ki makha da sagi tawdori ni system do but in the case of the informal da di ke dore sida authority habam lei ro authority habam lei ko aduna yam free oina koina spontaneously yam free oina koina collect to do ni ba sin just type of education sina then number 3 the it is incidental and situational to individual's life and experienced in his environment then me do na ma situational matam gi oiba mana khogi environment se magi experience to gi experience me amdune environment se gi khomjin jariba adugumba makhal gi education du buneba then number 4 the it does not have prescribed timetable curriculum and standard of discipline to be maintained. Habidi hariba informal system jidadi timetable haiba leroi, then course of studies haiba leroi, then magi standard haiba su leroi, amata leroi aduga mangondana sagi tawdaba yadaba potni habado masidadi amta leitreba. Then matang damo akoina non formal education habisi am khanasi. Non-formal agencies or non-formal education. Akoina non-formal agency dagi fangiba education dubu koi kawi non-formal education haina kawi. Non-formal education sina non-formal education is an organized, deliberate and intentional system, but outside the framework of the formal system. Habidi non-formal se organized amadi oigani, organized body amana run to body oigani, but outside the framework of the systematic education. Aduga systematic dilai roe. Aduna non-formal dadi organized system oigani, but out of the systematic. Sagi formal dana kadore systematic and organized form. Then informal dana mukai haigre out of the systematic and unorganized. Sidana muk khara mana organized toba, then khara mana systematic oidaba. Si ani chipun toini ko. Sigi hariba non-formal education sidi it need-based education that may solve the present problems. Habidi need-based neba darkar matungina tambar lairik neba. Aduna malairiba problems to solve tamnagi damakta darkar matungina tauba dumba makhalgi education ni. Its program provide educational opportunity to those persons who are deprived from the formal system of education. Habidi say formal system of education says the kabangam jata group of people sindo adugi damakta education ki opportunity em pi neba. Then means the alternative means of education neba. Hariba non-formal education say alternative means of the formal education neba. Habidi alternative neba. Kayino ham tandang sagi some people karam makhai di ka dore mukoi sing se school da college da nungti gi regularly attend to bangam da group of people layeba mukoi sing dugi da maktab this education is meant for the children who are drop out children. Example khra hage ko this education is meant for the drop out, then disadvantages group, adult, housewife, then employee and labor etc. Habidi angang sing se mahi khoi lai sakitang tamba ka ba hormakan tok thokiba drop out students me amle according magi some problems no mama pagi later laira no payai then magi situation magi unconventional khara tana mag se drop out to reba ko then disadvantages groups me am su lei ko adagi adult ko gi adult habidi mayek chalhogdraba kambu mayek chalhogdraba ko gi adult ko hanjing raba aduna sisda mukai dawi koina national literacy mission kaina kogi all india gi shoina tawri ibase kai mayek chalhan banumit kaina palan tawri isni ko asi kumbasing sunan formal education ge dumanung jandoini then housewife then dagi employee labor mokoi sing se yum da koi mai thabak tu na confine to hitana mokoi sing se regular attend to bangam dreba adu makha ta ba magi education gi makha ta ba magi further gi darkar diam leiba adu basing dugi da makta mokoi sing pi ba education makhala du ne ba koina non formal education haise aduna india da koi india gi oina indian constitution da yaure indian constitution da each and every person should be given the free and the compulsory primary education up to the age of the 14 years si highlight ba ne ba 14 years fawdi kogi lairiba india da lairiba indian citizen habitare pok nupi ogera nupa ogera high caste ogera low caste ogera pok abadi ma do free and the compulsory primary education pigedabani haide indian constitution da yaule ba ne ba the fundamental rights da fundamental right da kogi right to education sida yaule ba ne ba but si yaujara su koina 10% india da 10% lai hairabra ba haitriko aduna 10% lai haitribani na ngasagi lem horiba like tamba ka bangam dan lai horiba kambu do haidi mayek sal hodriba kambu do madugi dam ta pinaba means of education never that is called the non formal education haise aduna sigi kogi non formal education the learners me am sing se different stages of life can afford in it habidi kogi formal da di angang si sahi ahum plus mari yor ko se da koine lower pre primary or nursery se mingjan bagi admission matam da mako gi birth certificate changeba habidi strict rule man layeba jahi se angang ji jahi tramnga loiraga tar tuk jang pada ma se matriculate oiba haidana kogi formal da ding sahi rules ama dum lejaiba but in the case of the non formal education different stages of life can afford in loin stage khena ba stage me am sing che loin tamba yaiba कईगिनो मादी लाइक तम होदबदो लाइक हैनबगी तमकता तमकपन से स्टेज की दरकार ओइदरेब अदुना लर्नर सिंग से कदवे मखोय सिंग से वेरी कोऑपरेटिव rather than competitive हाबदी खोगी मखोय सिंग से याम तानादना अमगा नुसि तौबसे दुम यावई को दुम तौई मसिददी मखोय सिंग से वेरी कोऑपरेटिव ओइ को अदुना नॉन फॉर्मल एजुकेशन सिस्टम से करिगी दमकता नो हाबन द इट इज द इराडिकेशन ऑफ द illiteracy from the populations of our country having equally countries in the labor populations in the like hitaba have say muthatpa dunia mai pandam de muthatpa have city aduragadi like hitaba have say muthatpa have the like loi hain ba have ne ko aduna di non formal education have city sagi those persons who deprive from the formal system of education since the makoibu like tambi bado adubo khoina formal system of education haina kawai aduna saisida there are various agencies of non formal education koi agency khara so dum lai kai kai no having the open school correspondence course then distance education chumaina khaidoi adu sigi chu makha na dum neina rakhisi makha dana khoina characteristics hana neina se characteristics of non formal education sisu koina point by point naina bana dum nungai doi mali point number 1 da harake non formal education is open ended and cooperative rather than competitive open ended mokoi singse non formal education sida di mokoi singse open ended oiba aduga yam cooperative oi then competitive oi de habni ko competitive tagi ra mokoi singse ko cooperative ne hen oiba. Next, number 2, the non-formal education is structured and planned, but outside the sphere of the formal system of education. Mokoi sing non-formal sing si plan tawgani mokoi structure ma legani adubu mokoi sing je role namagi makhada formal loina lebrai di lekte mokoi je out of the oiko. Then number 3, the more importance is given here one self promote self learning rather than authoritative teaching mokoi sing matom ta ko habdi authority na tawgodoi badugi wang bada mokoi sing self promoting learning sine yam sida si tawrise. Then number 4, the attendance in non formal education is voluntary oge damni masa masani yaning tholka da bane adu hojik matam sida dinga sagi science and technology sa khola abani na lairi haitaba le hoba mi sing se koi haining bagi mokoi da urge influence ama lak pani na sigumba non formal education gi kano sing se hojik da diam common ore habadi lairi hairaga su hai hodra ba kangbu duna lairi mayek chalhan bagi koi mayek chalhan na ba lairi si tambi na ba hore aduna koi club kumba koi NGO gumba sing sina organize toroga le hauda ba group sing jugi mokoi gi mafam semaga lairi tambi na ba dum koi gi sarkar gi government gi khuthang dagi koi gi NCRT or HCRT khuthang dagi adum tawri then khara makai na koi ne lairi se haina further degree of diploma pa ma aga di mokoi na koi gi formal system sida attend to bangam drabani na kaidogi bunga sagi distance education gumba correspondence course gumba then magi hogi open school gumba system higher degree me am sikje hojikti dunga te yam tawnare habdi masaduna karigumba magi thabak tu da confine to lai hrabani na makha ta study du da ma attend to body regularly attend to bangam drabani na sigumba koi distance education ba correspondence course da dum tor ga magi makha ta degree sing sai khoina dum phangba yaiba aduna sibau le rabani ko difference mu yeng siko difference between difference hum leire sai formal haiba ma informal haiba ma then non formal haiba ma agency hum leire ko ma sigi difference kamaina mu yeng si ahan ba the difference between the formal and the informal si han yeng siko aduga mathang dana formal and the non formal mu yeng si pre-planned and the predetermined towards certain aims or goal habdi formal system da di certain aim am khak legani ba goal pan thungam chu legani ba soidana tamgodo riba like to gi sai course of study du gi aroi ba ma di legani aduga pre plan hana su loin ba pre plan tawni predetermined tawgani on the other hand informal di not definite aim or goal of education to be predetermined sidinga sagi informal di ga dore sagi rules sama le roi then aim chu le roi definite magi determination chu le roi ko then number 2 da amung yengsi number 2 the fixed time limit and course of study habdi formal system the time limit nama legani course of study ma legani mi eduna MA bau tamgera BA bau tamgera ma PhD tawgera postdoc tawgera magi limit ama din lebam thoe ba ma sida fixed time limit ama din legani ba ko aduga informal dana no time limit and course of study so the time limit chu leiroi then tamgodori ba course of study ha ba su ma study leiroi Then number 3 gi formal da education received from the teacher in the school. Education se kadai de phangi school da gi college da university de kana gi makha da oja na ta ga phangdui ne habidi in the formal system of education da. But informal da gi dore education received from the wider environment. Koi ki environment se da gi agencies me am se da gi koi na phang dori ba du education system adu ne ba. Aduga last point education is recognized by the people and the government as it make a man fit for job and getting certificate and degree. Habadi nasagi formal system the diban tamgodori ba course to lorakanda magi degree or thabak apply torok da season na ba madugi materials me am do educational materials me am the loin phangane ba sidadi ma loir matung da. But on the other hand, zagi informal the dore education is not recognized by the people. Recognized by the people. Meena kishu khangbir mana yam hairi do mana khomjal liba hairi me am do meena kishu khangbir oi, and the government also then as it make a man fit for life without degree. Agi isa se me dugi individual do ma do yam khang ba haiba di oigane ba without degree ma degree di matam da phangaroi ko aduga koi na mathang da mo difference between the formal and the non formal sem yeng si ko sai do na formal and the informal sina mo non difference between the formal and the non formal sida mo yeng si habidi ani max de organized system di or ka doini ko formal so orani then non formal so orani but makoi ni khena ba ti dum legani ahan bada number 1 si so mo yeng si its aim is clear and remain unchanged. Habidi formal da di tamgodori ba pot se magi aim se ka dogi ham da unchanged oina yam fix oina mayam ni yana ba ma oina legani ba aduga non formal da di ke dore its aim variable based on needs. Sidi hongto hongdi narakani ke dore based on needs darkar dugi matungi tamaka doi ne like se aduga number 2 da mo yeng se duration of education is fixed and the pre-schedule. Hadi exam su yam high rate ko habidi formal system da di says the fix oiba magi matam legani adagi magi pre-schedule legani everything lo ma fix lo magi makha rules am gi makha da ma di fix oina legani ba formal da di aduga non formal da di ke dore duration of education is subjected to learner's progress. Sida niko khena rai se sagi formal system da duration se fix hoigane ba have this class ama da sahi ama have se ai yam haire ai class 3 se yam haire ai 4 ka ge have ya reba sahi ama du lera kan da ma exam tor kan da 4 ka doini ba. But in the case of the non formal da dore imagi duration se kari da depend tori hare subjected to the learners tammi ba mi du ki makha pona magi duration se takne ba de have di tammi ba mi du na ma se kan hona jadana class 3 gi like sahi dokre ne tha om min dai dokre ma 4 ka ge yes okay ma ka ne then 5 ka ma hona zaman gi makha pona lower class di mai mai hona ba subjective oi e mi du makha pona ka e ba du higher class di higher class to budi ma gi khogi distance education gum laga di madum gi system do mu yar oi and lower class di ma subjective oi e durations de. Next number 3 the educational institutions are the venue for this education. Habidi school lama college ama university khoi he yang matam da like tamham ne habase mi pung khudimung na loin khange ba abdi mafam ama formal education gi di mafam ama tongan like tamnab gi damak ta mafam se tongan educational institutions me ama leire ba dun he yang ba like tamham ne ja dum khange ba. But kedore non formal education da there is not only the venue for this education. Habidi mafam akakna ba se masi non formal education gi ni habase leite haba ngasagi lower class ki the khoina non formal education ki makha da tagodori ba NGO sing sina tagodori ba club organizations sing sina makhoina run tagodori ba organize tagodori ba system of education se mafam dokai tagodori according to the convenient of them makhoi ki convenient ki makha pona club to ogera then kada community center ro ogera anywhere makhoina convenient ogeda mafam ma da hekta obi ya ba aduna again distance education ko masu correspondence course hire su makhoina convenient ogeda buildings ng dung makhoina tawraganda tawi aduna mafam exactly sina adugi mafam ni haba se thoidokpa kakna ba leite ba non formal education that the last one the education is highly competitive in spirit tamgo dor ba khogi formal education da di tam like tami ba mahairoi sing se yam competitive oi ba makhoi sing hena mark phangna ba hena division wang na makhoi yam na competitive oiba aduga kaidore sagi non formal education dadi education is very cooperative rather than competitive mokoi che competitive ki mahuta gi hena cooperative oina habi ta thok jasin tonaraga mokoi mensen khanna bado adun hele aduna sina difference between the formal and the non formal. And let's discuss about this at the last of the conclusion. There are 3 agencies of education. They are formal, informal, and the non-formal. Formal haibana systematic oiba, then organized oba. Then informal dana systematic so oidaba, organized tawdaba. Then non-formal dana organized tawba, systematic oidaba. Sigi point home se asibabudi akoi khangchi ko adu makha tabadi agencies me amdi next class ta lok thajage.